Good morning, everyone. I wanted to make this video today about people that maybe are having a hard time making their mortgage payments. A lot of times people, when they fall on hard times, they get behind on making their mortgage payment. They just get overwhelmed. They just get further and further behind, and they're not really sure what step to take next. So they eventually just let the bank foreclose on their property and sell it at the auction. And of course, in Georgia is a non-judicial state, so they can just put your property up at the courthouse steps and auction it off. So, but what these owners don't understand is if they go ahead and reach out to a realtor, we may still be able to help. The bank will, continue to eat up the equity that you have in the home with the fees that they have to incur when they have to do a foreclosure. A good example is we had someone reach out to us that they had been in a situation where they no longer can make their payments on their house, and they weren't really sure what to do. They weren't sure if they could still sell. They did have an auction date for their house to be auctioned at the courthouse steps. So I told them to reach out to their mortgage company, which they did, and the mortgage company had already been in contact with an attorney. So we actually got a letter from the mortgage company and the attorney saying that we could still sell the property as long as it closed before it went to the courthouse auction. So I didn't waste any time in getting that property on the market. At closing, despite the owner having to pay almost a year's worth in mortgage payments that they were behind, they still walked away with over $74,000. So it's really important that you reach out to a realtor now while you still may have options, and you can actually reap the equity in your home that, the money that you've been putting towards the home. That way you won't lose it to the bank eating it up with the foreclosure fees. So if you know someone or you yourself is having trouble making your mortgage payments because, you've fallen on hard times, we've all been there, just reach out to me and don't wait too late. Hope you guys are having a blessed day and hope this was very helpful.